I was unaware of how many people didn't know they could save hundreds to thousands of dollars a year while shopping online. So today I'll be doing a demonstration of how to do that very thing. First, all you'll have to do is go to your search engine. I recommend Google Chrome. Once you open up your search engine, you'll go to your URL and type in joinhoney.com. If it doesn't pull up that way, you can type in honey save money. Once you do that, you'll go to this first link right here, and it'll pull up like this. Once you get to this page, all you do will press the add honey, it's free. This app is 100% free and will do you wonders, so there's no problem about scamming. All that is left to do is to create your account. Since I'm already a member, my page will look a little bit different than yours, but that's okay. Once you log in, your page will look like this. So there's the top deals of today, stores you should follow, and then as you move down, it will show the recommended price and the price that you'll be paying for with the coupon. Another cool thing is your transaction history. You'll see this plus G458 right there. All those will add up to your gold right here. This is where you can redeem your gift card. So for instance, I have 1,378 gold, which is equal to $13.78. There is a minimum to redeem your gift cards. It's 1,000 golds. So if you would like to redeem that, all you have to do is press free gift cards. Now you will get a free $10 gift card to your favorite stores. Once you do this, you can refer 2 friends and get another $10 in Honey Gold, which is okay. It's just part of the most popular stores. All you'll have to do is just copy and share the link below, and that is how you'll do it. Well, thank you so much, and I hope this was very helpful for all y'all, and I can't wait to see y'all start saving money.